know it's gonna be not picked all over.
That was bomb.com. Not bomb.
We eat about 2 days a week, huh?
Oh, good. It's pretty good. All right, we gotta get some water real quick. We need 2 cases. And 2. Oh, I had to. Ooh, I'm out of breath. I had to come in the store and get a couple of things. Oh, hi. Hi. Let's get a couple of these. I didn't even check the account. See how much is in here. Okay, it's really all I came in here for. But I really gotta use the bathroom. I'm gonna have to I'm gonna grocery shop another day. Oh, they got snickerdoodle cookies. They don't have no more of the they don't have no more of the pumpkin. Oh Lord, I gotta pee. Oh yes they do. Okay. I think I'm gonna come back though. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get some juice for her. And then I'm gonna come back for the regular grocery haul. There you go. Okay. Christmas brand. The classic chai. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get a couple of these. Or maybe 3. Yeah, they got dandelion roots, tea, passion. I might have to come back. Oh, it's single. Smooth mood constipation. I don't need that. Yeah, I'm gonna come back. Oh, I got hot cocoa. Look. Hot cocoa. You got hot cocoa? It's $8. I'm not paying $8 for that. We can get a knockout brand of hot cocoa. Alright. Okay, so I need to clear out my refrigerator because I'm gonna make groceries tomorrow. Okay, now I have to stock up some waters and put them in the fridge so they can get cold.